Welcome again to another Tuesday Tips. This is a natural edge hollow form going through the void, and I've drilled a drill hole in here and working on the cylindrical shape. Okay, let's take a few more cuts in here when we can see, and got the light in here so you can see what's going on, but pretty soon we get to the point where we can't see in there anymore. And how am I going to know where I'm cutting? I'm going to feel that bottom surface. Come across to the left. Across to the left. And now I can feel this sidewall. I can come up here and I can watch the boring bar go in and out. And I can see that I'm keeping a cylindrical shape here by just watching my boring bar. I can't see the cutter anymore. I'm just going to watch the boring bar and the depth of my boring bar. Okay, a little trick for you when I'm in the hollow form and I'm blind down in there, but I'm still just hogging off the middle, so I don't have the laser's not a whole lot of use at this point because I'm not measuring the wall yet. So I need to know where my depth is. So I can go down here and just touch the bottom. So I use a crayon out of the grandkids' coloring book box, or a grease pencil, something that can put a mark on here that's just temporary. And I put a mark on here where the tool rest is. Okay? And now, when I'm in there, I have a visual cue of how deep I am in there so that I can make my cuts. So I just watched the crayon mark move incrementally and work my way down through the first stage. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to support my sponsors, and we'll see you next time.